General Grievous, the hero. The Jedi are evil. General Grievous, the hero. The Jedi are evil. General Grievous, the hero.
General Grievous Hero of the Clone Wars. The facts are in the house. Hey guys, it's General Grievous Hero of the Factual Clone Wars, and today we're going to be speaking about, on another Grievous Friday it is, we're going to be talking about why does Grievous cough in Star Wars The Clone Wars, the TV show. And we're going to go back to a little bit of backstory to the other Grievouses that we rarely talk about on this channel. And we're going to be talking about primarily the 2003 Grievous, which is the crazy one that, is from the original 2003 series. Now, in the original 2003 series, Grievous did not cough until at the end of it, Mace Windu force crushed his lungs, and then he started coughing, which is how you see in Revenge of the Sith, how he starts coughing later on in the film, and coughing throughout the rest of the film. Well, if you look at it from the Clone Wars aspect, in Star Wars The Clone Wars, Grievous just starts coughing from out of nowhere in certain episodes, like primarily the Heroes on Both Sides, where he's just randomly coughing. Some of those clips are just like, what? Because his lungs should be fine. But we don't know a good explanation of why Grievous is actually coughing in Star Wars The Clone Wars. And the only other explanation I have for you today is the only reason why Grievous coughs in the Clone Wars CD show, Grievous Hero, the only reason why that Grievous coughs is because he laughs too hard, he laughs heroically too hard, and then he coughs right after, which is what happens most of the time. But on certain other episodes, he just coughs out of nowhere. So it is a little bit confusing for a lot of the Grievous Hero fans that don't know how in the world Grievous is coughing if he doesn't have any of his lungs crushed, because all the Grievouses from out 2003, 2005, and the 2008, and all Clone Wars 2003, and Revenge of the Sith, they're not the same Grievous. So they can't all be coughing just for no reason. So it's just kind of like he's just coughing there for no reason. But other than that, that's really it for this explain video. It's just kind of a really quick, short one. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Basically, he only coughs is because he laughs too hard, and we already know the 2003 stuff lost his lungs. So to make the 2005 cough. So that's all the explanation I can really give to those people saying, "Well, yeah, you don't know why." No, I already know why. But yeah, other than that, General Grievous Hero of the Clone Wars is in the house. Subscribe if you're new. If you like these videos, please hit that like button because it keeps the algorithm up. Y'all been really helping me with that in the past. I want that to continue going. And yeah, General Grievous Hero of the Factual Clone Wars has been looking forward to meeting you. And he is out of here with another heroic laugh and sadly a cough. Have a good one.